The first Saturday of every December, we have what is called the candle tea. And we have concerts that are given every 30 minutes in the fellowship hall. We sell the sugar cake, and that's what we're making today, is the sugar cake that we both sell and we serve it. Sugar cake is a yeast dough topped with cinnamon and brown sugar, a mix between a bread and a cake. We push holes in it and then we put melted butter and then we bake it, and then you fight yourself not to eat it when it comes out of the oven.